Okay, so Aureska, I will ask you about science. Please listen to me. What does happen to the volume of a sound if we are getting closer to the source of the sound?
The sound will be
The sound will be
quiet.
quiet. If you getting closer to the source of the sound,
Will be
will be big or louder. Okay, next. Steve, can you give one example of a source of a sound?
Huh?
Can you give the example of a source of sound? Put down the pencil first. Tiger,
No.
the source of the sound?
Scream.
Yeah, you can start from saying, you can start by saying the source of the sound is,
The source. The source of sound is scream.
okay. Next, Stevia. What is an object that produces a sound?
Firework.
No, what is the object that produces sound? It is a,
Firework.
another answer? Okay, Brasilia. What is the part of our body that used to hear the sound?
Ear.
You can start by saying the part of our body to hear the sound is the part
The part of
our body
our body
to hear.
to hear the sound is ears.
Okay, good. Next, Barasan. Communicate with hands to make signs is called.
Touch.
No, there's another answer. What do you call when someone communicate with their hands without no mouth? What kind of that language? Can you? Next, kipas. Apa yang perlu ditambahkan agar tanaman tumbuh dengan subur?
Pupuk.
Saya tanya ke Arasan. Apa yang perlu ditambahkan agar tanaman tumbuh dengan subur?
Pupuk.
Mulai dari mengulang pertanyaannya dulu. Supaya tanaman tumbuh subur, ya.
Supaya tanaman subur, kita memberikan pupuk.
Kita memberikan.
Tidak.
Oke, berdiri yang benar dulu, berdiri yang benar. Oke, Priscilia. Apakah nama tanaman yang digunakan untuk memproduksi gula? Untuk memproduksi gula,
Untuk produksi gula,
kita memerlukan tanaman
kita memerlukan tanaman adalah
tanaman apa yang digunakan untuk membuat gula? Wow. Apa? Siap? Stevia, apakah contoh tanaman yang memiliki duri? Contoh tanaman, ulang pertanyaan ini.
tanaman Mercury adalah kaktus.
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 Ya, bagus. Steve, apakah contoh tanaman yang hidup di air?
Contoh tanaman yang hidup di air adalah bunga teratai.
Iya, betul sekali. Next, Areska. Apakah jenis tumbuhan yang memiliki batang hijau dan lembut? Jenis tumbuhan yang memiliki batang hijau dan lembut.
Rantai,
No?
eceng gondok,
Okay. Next, we move to the map. Okay, I will say the question. Listen to my question carefully, okay? There are 9 frogs on the leaf. There are 9 frogs on the leaf. Okay, the procedure is you just need to write down the answer. No need to say it to me directly. Okay, after you got the answer, you close it. Okay, there are 9 frogs on the leaf, and 4 of them jump off. So the question is, how many frogs are left? I start from the first, yeah? There are 9 frogs on the leaf, and 4 of them jump off. 4 of them jump off. So the question is, how many frogs are left? Write down your answer. Areska, don't see your friend's answer. Okay, very nice. Good. Okay, everyone's correct. Next question is about matematika. Urutkanlah bilangan-bilangan berikut mulai dari yang paling terbesar sampai ke bilangan yang paling kecil. Urutkan dari yang paling besar ke yang paling kecil. Mulai kerjakan. Areska, kerjakan sama kamu. Jangan lihat punya teman.
yang terkecil sih.
Dari yang terbesar itu 7 orang. Ya. Ini tangan. Ya. Oke, good. It's easy, right? It's nice. Good. Alright, Steve. Okay, Darren. What does happen to the volume of a sound if we are getting closer to the source of the sound? Sorry? You can start by saying the sounds get. Say that one first. The sounds get.
Sounds get quieter.
You can start by saying the sound say. Say that one first. The sound.
The sound
The sound get.
get
What is your answer?
louder.
Louder. Okay, very nice.
What is that?
Okay, next.
Counting.
Clausen, can you give the example of a source of sound?
Example of a source of sound.
Example of source of sound.
A bird work.
Can you start by saying the example of source of sound is
The example of a source of sound is firework.
firework? Okay, very nice. Next, Kesia. What is an object that produces sound?
Yes,
That produces sound
the sound
is what is it called? called source of yeah, source of sound. Okay, both of you, can you stand properly? What is your name? Michael. Okay, Michael. Michael, what is the part of our body that used to hear the sound? The part of our body.
Ears.
Yeah, you can start by saying the part of our body. Say that one first. The part
The part
of
our body
to hear the sound
to hear the sound
is yeah. What is your answer before? You just said before. Ear. Next, this should be Eric, right? Okay, Eric. Communicate with hands to make a sign is called. Communicate with hands to make a sign is called.
Jump.
Can you? What kind of the communication by using the hands? Hey, Austin, I cut your point at first.
Hey, no.
So, okay, Eric. It's okay, we go to the next question now.
It's called IPAS.
Ya, Eric. Apa yang perlu ditambahkan agar tanaman tumbuh dengan subur? Yang perlu ditambahkan untuk menyuburkan tanaman, yang perlu ditambahkan agar tanaman tumbuh subur, ikuti saya. Agar tanaman tumbuh subur. Ayo sebutkan. Agar tanaman tumbuh subur. Bisa. Ayo ikuti kata-kata saya. Agar tanaman tumbuh subur perlu ditambahkan apa jawabannya? Pupuk. Bagus. Next, apakah tanaman yang digunakan untuk memproduksi gula? Tanaman yang digunakan untuk memproduksi gula adalah tanaman untuk membuat gula. Oke, okay. Kasih. Apakah tanaman yang digunakan untuk membuat gula? Yang digunakan untuk membuat gula, Hasan. Hasan, this is the last time I ask you to stop.
Okay.
Hasan, apa contoh tanaman yang memiliki duri?
Durian. Tanaman. Katus.
Contoh tanaman
yang berduri adalah kaktus.
Kaktus. But it's correct actually when you say durian. Darren, apa contoh tanaman yang hidup di air? Contoh tanaman, ulang dari kata Yang hidup di air adalah apa jawabannya? Iya, rumput laut. Oke, now this is about matematika. Urutkanlah bilangan berikut. Urutkan bilangan berikut dari yang terbesar ke yang terkecil. Oke?
Yang terbesar dari kecil.
Dari yang terbesar menjadi ke yang terkecil. Berikut angkanya. Ini angkanya, Deren bisa lihat?
Matematikanya masih ditulis.
Nggak usah. Jawabannya saja langsung ke jawabannya. Langsung kamu urutkan dari yang terbesar ke yang terkecil. No need to write it. Langsung jawaban saja, langsung jawaban. It's okay, sir.